Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to deactivate automatic Windows 11 updates. Chapter 1. Disable driver automatic updates from settings. To start, click on the Start menu. Now click on Settings. Then go to the Windows Update section. Here, go to the Pause Update section. It is possible to click on the options to choose how long you pause the updates. Then, if they have been paused, you can click Resume Updates. Everything will be by default. Chapter 2. Disable driver automatic updates from utility. To start, open any browser, then enter the link that we left you in the video description. The utility will be downloaded automatically. Then click on the file, then click Next. Now wait for the updates to be scanned. Then click on Hide Updates. Then, check the box for the desired update. Click Next. After this, wait for the operation to finish. Chapter 3. Disable driver automatic updates from control panel. To start, enter the word Control in the search. Click on the Control panel. Here, click on System and Security, then click on System. Then click on Advanced System Settings. Now, go to the Hardware tab. Here, click on the Device Installation Settings option. Finally, check the box. No, your device might not work as expected. Then click Save Changes. Chapter 4. Disable driver automatic updates from group policies. To start, in the search, enter the word gpedit.msc. Click on the element. Then, click on Computer Configuration. Now, click on Administrative Templates. Then go to Windows Components. Then, click on Windows Update. Then select Manage Updates Offered from Windows Update. Now, double-click on the policy Do Not Include Drivers with Windows Updates. After this, check the box Enabled, then click Apply and OK. Chapter 5. Disable driver automatic updates from registry. To start, enter the word regedit in the search. Click on the registry editor. Then go to the path you see on the screen. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Then, select and open the value called Search Order Config. Here, in the Value Data field, assign the number 1. Click OK. Chapter 6. Disable driver automatic updates by device ID. To start, right-click on the Start menu, then click on Device Manager. Then, double-click on the controller to restrict. Then go to the Details tab. Here, in the Property field, look for Hardware IDs. Copy the value you see on the screen. After this, in the search enter the word gpadit.msc. Click on the element. Then, click on Computer Configuration. Now click on Administrative Templates, then go to System, then click on Device Installation, then select Device Installation Restrictions. Now double-click on the policy Prevent installation of devices that match any of these device IDs. Here, check the Enabled box, then click Show. Now paste the controller identifier, click OK, then apply the changes. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.